Today I have a 2010 Dodge Journey with a overheat problem. The car was leaking and I found the problem was the heater hose crack, like you can see here. The one it's in the connected to the heater core in the back, right there, and connected to the front of the engine, the side of the engine over here. So the new one is aluminum to make sure it's not gonna crack again. From Dorman, you can see this is aluminum, and this is the part number 4. So to remove this one, you gotta remove the manifold, intact manifold. It's easy to remove this bolt in the front, 10mm bolt, but the only 2 bolts in the back here, the 13mm bolt is a pain in the butt. It's hard to remove it, but anyway, you have to remove it with the ratchet. Where is it? Yeah, the ratchet, 13mm ratchet. Is just you gotta jump on the top of the engine and go behind this side, the right side, remove it, and the left side also with your left hand to remove it. Then you take this manifold out. Also, you have to remove this the EGR. It's 10mm bolt over here, so you can take it out because this isn't stuck inside the manifold. And I think you have to get the manifold gasket also, because you see this one is flat. And then the easy way to remove, if you have one of these pliers right there, and also the other pliers, so you can wiggle the hose with that one. See that? This is an easy tool, so you can wiggle the hose to take it out. You can get it from eBay. I don't think you're gonna find it in a auto parts store. So that's pretty much it. So there's 2 hoses back there in the heater core, and there's 2 hoses over here. 2 lines, and 1 over here. And then you connected the new one, put the manifold back. You don't have to put the 2 bolts in the back. Thanks for watching.